show you that. That is the problem. So I'm about to cut that off. The cap on it. And be done. Alright. I can show you what I mean.
Let the rain come on down, nourishment for the ground. Everything washes clean, makes what you see seem like a dream. But you and I, we know that's true. It's how we roll and what we do.
Alright, need to get a screen door at the back. Air conditioning unit looks pretty good. Tree lines. Bit of work on the yard. It looks good. Like the bricks. And now let me take you to the problem. The flange and pipe that is connected to this front hose has burst. So now I'm going to take you into the belly of the beast. As we prepare to fix it. As you can see, it is flooded. And a tremendous amount of water is coming through. So, my job, of course, is to enter this cesspool and determine what's going on. My choice of tools is my Sawzall. Yes, I am crawling through mud and laying in water so that I can show you that. That is the problem. So I'm about to cut that off, put a cap on it, and be done for now. All right, let's see. I can show you what I mean. All right. All right. Phase 2 is extracting the hose. As you can see, hopefully, is our focus. Problem is right there. Okay. To compensate for that which is a pretty substantial break in the pipe. There we go. If I can get it. I am going to cut the pipe that is left using a brass craft pipe cutter, and that will smooth it and reduce it to burrs. And then I'm simply going to cap it for now. I'll put a brass cap that will snap on, that will tighten down itself, and I've taken a 30-minute job and made it a 5-minute job. We'll see if it works. Okay, I'm gonna do the best I can with one hand, filming to fix the pipe. I'm going to start by simply cutting the pipe smooth. So, as you may have gathered by now, I was able to successfully complete the plumbing repair. I have presented to you now the actual faucet and copper pipe that burst. I have the shock bite copper end cap that I used, and I wanted to make sure that you could see exactly what I used. We actually purchased this from Lowe's. And then, of course, the brass craft pipe cutter, 1 to 1.5 inch OD poly pipe cutter. And just so that you see again, here is the actual lesion in the pipe that we repaired. That is the cause of the spraying water and massive pool under the house that you saw. All right. Thank you. To cut that off, put a cap on it, and be done.